I'm water. I thin your mucus and flush it out. Drink me more.
I'm mullein leaf tea. I pull thick black gunk out of your lungs.
I'm a salt inhaler. I dry bacteria sitting deep in your chest.
I'm pineapple. My enzyme chews through heavy mucus fast.
I'm eucalyptus. I force open tight, wheezing airways. I'm raw honey. I coat your throat like armor. Swallow me and sleep without pain.
I'm thyme tea. I relax a spasming windpipe. Dry, hacking cough, I shut it down. I'm ginger. I boost circulation in your chest and push toxins out. I'm lemon. I slice through thick mucus like nothing else.